Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where the day 3 egg location is for the Onsen Egg Promise treasure hunt on Heartopia sorry. And you will find it, actually don't know where it is. Okay, you will find it there. It is underneath the stairs of the igloo area. So you'll find the egg here. Again, take a picture of the egg. As always, let me just adjust this. Okay, I guess my friend's going to be in the picture as well. Take a picture, and that is where our third egg is. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!